The beauty for us is the fact that we can essentially take what we want, leaving respect to the fact that everyone needs to come and look and see what it is. But the gardeners here do all the hard work. They do all the digging, all the toiling of the soil, and we actually just get to take all the good stuff once. There's different parts of the garden are activated at different times. So in the middle of summer, you want to be going over to the rainforest where it's a nice cool 25 to 28 degrees over there. And there's an amazing array of produce there that you would have to travel to North Queensland to be able to get a hold of. Sort of encapsulates that whole being able to use things all the way through and discovering things that you never have used before because they're not really available. Like this is all horseradish, all you see over here. So under here there'd be at least 100 kilos worth of horseradish just under my feet. So these are all the little horseradish leaf shoots. If you try a little piece of that, you get a butteriness of horseradish, and then its structure, it's really sharp, and then it's gone. Sort of plan or rules, we kind of just work with what we have and do the best we can with it. Its closest relative is highly toxic, but these definitely aren't, I assure you. They're full of thorns, so when we come and completely strip this tree, your arms are cut to pieces. So we, for the customer, put our bodies on the line for you every time we pick the season. It's a bit riper there. See my finger just goes straight through it? That's what it should look like. And no one grows these. The European violet, which straight away stinks of chickweed and caustic weed. So that there is chickweed. It tastes like a bit like grass. That's caustic weed. They look very, very similar. They grow on the same bit of ground, but the difference when you pick that one, you don't want the white stuff. The gooey, quite flavourless, so you have to impart the flavour. We make ketchups and on the ground obviously the birds and everything get into them, but we've talked about them enough.
It is like a pine nut.
It is, it's a huge pine nut. See the stronger fingers. Big Brazilian nut.
Yeah,
Big,
I like a big